Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 9. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in their email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 9 and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter exponents. The lessons we're going to cover today are exponents with decimal and fractional basis, exponents with integer basis, multiplication with exponents, and negative exponents. Here I am on grade 9 math. Chapter we are on right now is exponents. Let's just start with the first lesson, that is exponents with decimal and fractional basis. Let's just start with the lesson. Okay, let's just start with the first example, 0.3 exponent 3. So let's just understand the concept first, right? Here 0.3 is the base and this 3, that is the exponent, right? An exponent tells you how many times its base is used as a factor. So basically, the exponent tells you how many times you're going to multiply the base, right? For example, here the base is 3, sorry, the exponent is 3. That means you need to multiply 0.3 3 times. The correct option is 0.3 times 0.3 times 0.3. That is 0.27 is the correct option. Let's just start with the test questions. 0.1 times 0.1 exponent 4. That means you have to multiply 0.1 4 times. You have to do 0.1 times 0.1 times 0.1 times 0.1. So actually you have to multiply the base exponent times, right? So the correct option is option number 1 is the correct option, right? The correct option is option number 1. That is 0.001 is the correct option. The next one is 0.2 exponent 2. So which is the correct option? You have to do 0.2 two times. So the correct option is option number 1, that is 0.04. The next one is 0.01 exponent 4, which is the correct option. Yes, the correct option is option number 1 is the correct option. Zero point 0.2 exponent 4, which is the correct option. That means you have to multiply 0.2 4 times. That is option number 2 is the correct option. 0.0016 is the correct option. The next one is 0.1 exponent p. So which is the correct option? Yes, the correct option is 0.001 is the correct option. Zero point zero 0.02 exponent cube, which is the correct option. Yes, that is option number 1 is the correct option. So you have to multiply the base exponent times, right? The next one is 0.03 exponent 4, which is the correct option. Option number 1 is the correct option. Yes, option number 1 is the correct option. 2 it is. Okay, got it. Evaluate 1 by 2 exponent 3. So here you are base in the fractional form, right? So that means 3 is the exponent of the both numerator and denominator. You can write it as 1 exponent 3 and 2 exponent 3, right? So that would be 1 out of 8. The correct option is option number 2 is the correct option. That would be 1 out of 8. Evaluate 1 by 2 square, which is the correct option. That is 1 over 4. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. And the next lesson is the next one is exponents with integer basis. Let's just start with the lesson. Okay, so 2 square, you have to multiply the base exponent times, right? The exponent is 2. That means you need to multiply 2 times. Yes, you have to do 2 times 2. The correct option is 4. Let's just start with the test questions. 3 square, which is the correct option. Yes, you have to evaluate 3 2 times. You need to do 3 times 3. Yes, the correct option is 9. Option number 1 is the correct option. Option number 1 is the correct option. Yes, that is 8. 2 times 2 is 4 and 4 times 2 is 8. You have to multiply 2 3 times. So that is 8. Option number 2 is the correct option. Got it? 4 square, which is the correct option? Option is 16. 3 cube, which is the correct option? The correct option is 3 times 3 is 9 and 9 times 3 is 27. The correct option is 27. Ten square, which is the correct option? Yes, 100 it is. 10 times 10 is 100. The correct option is 100. 4 cube, which is the correct option? Yes, 64 it is. Option number 1 is the correct option. 3 square equals Hmm. Yes, 9 it is. Option number 1 is the correct option. 2 square equals Yes, 4 it is. The correct option is 4. 2 cube, which is the correct option? Yes, the correct option is 8 is the correct option. 2 times 2 is 4 and 4 times 2 is 8. 4 square, which is the correct option? The correct option is 16. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is multiplication with exponents. So let's just see how do we multiply with exponents. J exponent 9 times J exponent 4. So basically they both are multiplying, right? They have the same base J, but they have different exponent and they are multiplying. When you have the bases are same and they are multiplying, you have to add their exponents, right? You can see here you have to do J9 plus 4 because they have same basis. So you need to add there and they are multiplying. So you need to add their exponent. So that will be J exponent 13. The correct option is J exponent 13. Got it? Okay, let's just start with the test questions. F exponent 7 times F exponent 3. Yes, you have to add their exponents, right? Because they have same basis. So when bases are same, you have to add their exponent. Sorry, F it is not G. That would be F exponent 10. The correct option is option number 2, correct option. Got it? When the bases are same, you have to, and they are multiplying, you have to add the exponents. The correct option is option number 2 is the correct option. Got it? W8 times W3. So which is the correct option? Yes, the correct option is W exponent 11. Option number 1 is the correct option. Simplify R square times R4, which is the correct option. Yes, that is R exponent 6. Option number 3 is the correct option. Hello. Okay, J exponent 9 times J exponent 4. So which is the correct option? Yes, the correct option is J exponent 13. Option number 2 is the correct option. Yes, that is J exponent 10. Option number 1 is the correct option. K exponent 3 times K exponent 6. So which is the correct option? That is K exponent 9. Option number 1 is the correct option. G exponent 9 times G exponent 3. Which is the correct option? Yes, that is G exponent 12. Option number 2 is the correct option. J exponent 4 times J exponent 6. Which is the correct option? Yes, the correct option is j exponent 10. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. And the next lesson is negative exponents. Write the expression as a whole number with a negative exponent. So you have 1 divided by 10 exponent 15, right? A positive exponent under the numerator of 1 can be written as a negative exponent. Like that is dividing, right? 10 exponent 15 is dividing. You can write the exponent as negative. That would be 10 exponent negative 15 because earlier that was in the denominator, but now it was in the numerator. So that would be the exponent is now negative, right? Okay, let's just start with the test questions. One divided by 21 exponent 52. You have to write down with the negative exponent, right? So 21 times 21 exponent 52 is dividing. You write it in the numerator with the negative exponent. Correct option is 21 exponent negative 52. Option number 1 is the correct option. Yes, now you have the negative exponent. You can make the exponent positive by writing it in denominator. So that is the vice versa. Either you write in the denominator, in the numerator, you have to write with the negative exponent. Got it? So that would be 1 over 4 exponent 8. The correct option is option number 2 is the correct option. Got it? One divided by 59 exponent 25. So which is the correct option? 1 or 2? Yes, that is option number 1 is the correct option. That is option number 2 is the correct option. Got it? The correct option is option number 2 is the correct option. Got it? 4 exponent negative 9, which is the correct option? Option number 2 is the correct option. Got it? 1 divided by 48 exponent 40, which is the correct option. The correct option is option number B is the correct option. Got it? Write an expression as a fraction with positive exponent. So which is the correct option? Yes, that's the second one. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So we were working on grade 9 math. Chapter we were working on is exponents. The lessons we have covered today are exponents with decimal and fractional bases, exponents with integer bases, multiplication with exponents, and negative exponents, right? So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we did today. That is your homework until next session, right? So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday. Or either you can join me in the interactive session that would be daily from 4 to 5 and from 9 to 10. No questions? Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye everyone.